The point of energy release used by Earth to create universes is located in a territory known as Egypt. The pyramids near Cairo act as the release point, Giza being the main point of release. This is why a pyramid contains the measurements of pi within it. This is a technical requirement to generate the electromagnetic sphere, the bubble, where the energy is released after the bubble is formed. Pi is an irrational number with an infinite number of decimals because it is the mathematical representation of the sphere, and the sphere is infinite in nature. You see? And then the visual representing this. So if you see what I mean, is that I'm explaining step by step the process as how is it that planet Earth is spherical and is created by us as a species, which is the whole purpose of this book as Sansans. So if you understand the logic, you see the mathematics, you see reality is expressed, numerically speaking, in symbology terms with logic, and that logic is what we know as mathematics. And mathematics, has pi and all these different numbers and symbols that we use to express natural phenomena. So it's not that pi created, the sphere. No, the sphere is there because it's the first, the creator, is the energy that creates everything. But pi is the symbological representation, numerical representation of that creates everything. It's a universal language, and we just happen to call it pi for some reason that we did in the past. But the reason why the pyramids have pi within it is because you need the physical geometry representing the management of energy, so you can have technology, applied engineering, and design capable of releasing energy bubbles of any size that become a universe eventually. And the point release is pi in terms of the representation of the pyramid of Giza through the energy released by the core of the planet. You see? So this is how it works. So, but because I'm explaining it in plain terms, simple terms, a book readable by anyone, then you need to start step by step and doing it that way. Okay, this is the page.